Hi, welcome to Fifi Delights. Come on, let's get started.
Here I have my ingredients for Funyuns fried onion rings. And I'm going to start off with a half a bag of Funyuns. I'm using my onion chopper. Now I'm going to add the Funyuns to the bowl along with a half a cup of panko breadcrumbs, a half a cup of flour, 3/4 cups of buttermilk, 1/4 cup of water, and 1 egg. And I'm going to mix it very well. I'm also going to add my seasoning, salt, pepper, Tony Creole seasoning, and garlic powder. This recipe will be in the description below. And if you find it helpful, do like and subscribe. If you have questions, you can leave it in the comment below. I have my non-stick skillet and I'm using canola oil. I'm going to let the grease get very hot and I'm testing it with the wooden spoon. When the bubbles start showing, then the grease is ready. These Funyun onion rings didn't take long to fix. Also, you can try these for your next event. They are crunchy and tasty. Thank you for watching.